Hey, what's up, y'all? So I'm in Oakland, California right now. During this trip, we visited Napa Valley, San Francisco. In terms of temperature, Napa's going to be probably the warmest than San Francisco, and Oakland is cooler than San Francisco. So you want to make sure you check the weather and pack in layers for your trip out to the Bay Area.
We took Uber and crossed the Bay Bridge to get to Oakland. You can also take a ferry to get over there if you want to save money. We started out before going to the game at this bar. It's called the Fat Lady Bar and Restaurant. It was a cool little chill spot and got some food, and then we headed out to the game. This was a short trip because we were just trying to help my husband accomplish a goal of visiting different baseball stadiums. So since we had already visited San Francisco, we came over to Oakland to check out a game here at their stadium. Hey, baby, look here.
What's up, y'all? Number 25.
Smile. And afterwards, the staff drove us back to the entrance so that we could take Uber back to the hotel. So this was pretty cool to see it, to see the stadium at night.
I like that.
I know. Get that right there.
Ricky Field.
That Ricky Henderson Field, yeah.
For the next day, we headed to Jack London Square. It's an area where there's food and different shops, and also there are hotels that are on the waterfront. We had some food at Seabray's on the dock. The food was not bad. Afterwards, we headed to the Oakland Museum of California for an event, and it was pretty cool to check this out. They had different wines and drinks. It was sponsored by Maker's Mark, and there was music, DJs. And then later that evening, we went to Old Oakland and to the OSC bar. And this is a Latin and Black-owned bar. It was pretty cool, and I enjoyed my trip to Oakland. I will say it was probably my least favorite out of San Francisco and Sausalito and Napa Valley. Be sure to subscribe for travel tips and travel guides for destinations around the world.